Hello, I'm here outside number 35, the Birches. I'm going to give you a tour inside. What we've got is a retirement apartment here. The Birches is located right on the Woodley-Earley border, surrounded by the Bournemouth playing fields. So really nice location. Right next door we've got a co-op supermarket, and just down the road is Woodley Shopping Centre. So cracking location for a property that is suited for retired people. So let's take you inside and show you around. So I'm here on the first floor, accessed via a lift, just to give you an idea of the sort of communal hallway area here. I'm just going to point out through this window we've got the garden that comes with the Birches, rather pleasant. So number 35, that's through the door here. Let's take you in, show you around. So the actual apartment itself, we have UPVC double glazed windows, we have gas radiator central heating as well, but we start in rather a nice large hallway. As you can see here, let me just step to one side, turn around and give you a slightly better view of the hallway. There you go. So it's a big hallway. We do have a storage cupboard to the right hand side. Just going to start by showing you the lounge, which is the room through here. Now this has dual aspect windows. You can see that we've got the side window there and also the French doors onto the patio. Let's just step back, show you the fact that there is space for a table and chairs just there. The actual kitchen is accessible to the left there. I'm just going to start by pointing out two things. One, the corner cupboard there is the one that houses the boiler. Let's just open that up and show you. It's a combi boiler, there it is. And the other thing I particularly want to show you is through the doors here onto the balcony, because we have rather a nice view from this balcony. Let's just show you the balcony first of all. And right, let's just step out. And that is the view that we have. So it's actually of sports playing fields. So plenty to watch, probably particularly at a weekend. And then just spinning around here, this is the end of the cul-de-sac. So very quiet, just the people driving in here that live here. So lovely view. The other thing to mention is that this is pretty much a southerly aspect as well. So super view from the balcony. Right, back into the apartment itself. Let's just show you the kitchen off the lounge here at the end. Good sized kitchen area, good work surface space. We've also got a built-in oven there on the left with an electric hob as well. Base units, appliance space. My understanding is that the appliances we see here could well be included in the sale. And also eye level units as well. So very nice modern fitted kitchen. Okay, so now back into the hallway. Let's show you the main bedroom first of all. That's this one here. Really good sized double bedroom. You can see the double bed in the distance there, but also plenty of space for wardrobes. I believe the wardrobes we see here are going to be included as well. See the window there, space for a little dressing table as well. Let's just turn around. There's those wardrobes, and you'll see also we have a door taking you into the shower room. I was going to say bathroom, but actually it's a shower room. Now this actually is a wet room. Now it's what we call a Jack and Jill wet room, meaning that you can access it straight from the main bedroom as you've just seen. But also we have a door on the left here that takes you into the main hallway. So whilst it's a shower room, it has that ensuite feel about it. You can see the shower area in the corner there with the curtain, pedestal wash basin, the low level WC. There's a radiator on the right hand side. As I mentioned, it's gas radiator central heating. So very nicely finished wet room stroke WC. And the only room I've not shown you is the second bedroom. So that's this one here. Bedroom 2, facing the southerly aspect as well. Space for, obviously, you can see this looks like it might have been used as a dining room perhaps, but certainly plenty of room as a second bedroom. No problem at all. So that just about finishes the tour of this property. Just going to lastly show you the view from this window, which the bedroom window enjoys as well, the main bedroom window enjoys as well. If you have any questions, then please do call the office. My name is Gary. I'll be able to help you, and it's the same number if you'd like to arrange a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.